Hey, your loan is approved. Needless to say, this is great news and a very important step, but it doesn't mean our work is done. Your initial loan approval comes with a list of conditions, and these are chores that we have to complete before we can get final loan approval and clearance to close and get started working on closing documents. So that means our next project is clearing underwriting conditions. Our team handles a lot behind the scenes, but we're going to need your help with at least a thing or two. If we're using the traditional method to process your loan, there's going to be a changing of the guard, and your mortgage consultant will introduce a loan coordinator who will be your guide to the rest of the process. For same-day mortgage, you're going to keep working with the same associate underwriter. As always, we want to keep things moving at a really good pace. We need a few days after receiving clearance to close to prepare loan documents and set things up for your signing. So keep a close eye out for messages and requests and respond as quickly as possible. The usual 24 to 48 hour timeline is what we're aiming for here. And please keep an extra close eye out for a message inviting you to sign your initial closing disclosure. This is the first draft of the final numbers. That sounds kind of weird, but it is. It'll see some fine tuning as we get closer to closing. And even though the initial CD isn't the final word on the numbers, having you sign it is critical to our timing. If you delay signing it, it could delay your closing. Check out all the resources on this page. As always, reach out with any questions. We're excited to be in the home stretch and here for whatever you need.